Have you ever seen a painting so powerful that it makes you feel something you can't explain? This is the story of a man who painted beauty from pain. A man who sold only one painting during his life, but later became one of the most famous artists in the world. His name was Vincent van Gogh, and his last painting hides a secret, one we are still trying to understand today. Let's learn his story. Let's grow your English and your heart. Vincent van Gogh was born in the Netherlands in 1853. He loved nature, light, and colors. But most of all, he loved to paint. Paint to make pictures using color on a surface like paper or canvas. He didn't start painting until he was 27. That's late for an artist. But once he began, he couldn't stop. He painted over 900 pieces in just 10 years. Still, people didn't understand his style. They thought it was too strange, too fast, too bright. Style, the way something is done, especially in art or writing. But Vincent saw the world differently. He painted how he felt, not just how things looked. Vincent's mind was beautiful, but also very troubled. Troubled, having problems or worries. Example, he looked troubled after the phone call. He often felt lonely. He didn't have many friends. He had a strong bond with his brother, Theo, who supported him. Bond, a strong connection between people. Example, they had a deep bond. Vincent also suffered from mental illness. He sometimes heard voices or felt confused and afraid. One day, in a moment of sadness, he even cut off part of his own ear. Suffer to feel pain or sadness over time. Mental illness, a health problem that affects the mind or emotions. People in his town became afraid of him. They didn't understand what he was going through. So, he went to live in a small hospital for the mind in the south of France. There, he painted his most famous works, including the beautiful blue night sky called Starry Night. Vincent painted very quickly. He once said, "I want to leave something good behind me. I want to show people there's still hope." Hope, the feeling that something good can happen. He often used bold colors, bright yellow, deep blue, strong red. Bold, strong, and clear, not soft or light. His brush strokes were fast and full of emotion. Brushstroke, the line or mark made by a painter's brush. He was painting not just with his hands, but with his heart. Now we come to his last painting. It was called Tree Roots. It showed thick tree roots, twisted and tangled, growing through the ground. Tangled, twisted together in a messy way. Example, her hair was tangled. Roots, the part of a plant that grows underground. He painted it just before he died, in 1890, at the age of only 37. For over 100 years, no one knew where he painted it. But in 2020, a researcher found the real spot near a road in the village of Auvers-sur-Oise. The roots were still there, growing. It was as if Van Gogh had left us a final message, hidden in nature. Many people believe this painting shows Vincent's feelings. The roots are strong, but they look confused, almost like they're searching. Confused, not sure what is happening or what to do. Some say it shows how Vincent felt lost. Others think it shows growth even after pain. That's the secret. Even when life feels dark, something beautiful can grow. On July 27, 1890, Vincent went into a field and, sadly, shot himself. Shot, used a gun to harm someone or himself. He didn't die right away. He lived 2 more days. His brother Theo stayed by his side. His last words were, La tristesse durera toujours. French, the sadness will last forever. But maybe he was wrong, because his paintings did something amazing. They outlived the sadness. They gave light and color to people who never even met him. Today, Van Gogh's paintings are worth millions of dollars. His work is shown in the best museums in the world. Legacy, something a person leaves behind that others remember. But more important than money, his art has helped people feel less alone, less sad, more alive. He became a voice for people who feel different, for those who struggle with mental health, and for those who want to turn pain into beauty. Let's review 12 useful words we learned today. Paint, to make pictures with color. Style, a way of doing something. Troubled, having problems or worry. Bond, a close connection. Suffer, to feel pain. Hope, the feeling something good can happen. Bold, strong or bright. Brushstroke, the line a brush makes. Tangled, twisted in a messy way. Roots, the underground part of a plant. Confused, unsure, or lost. Legacy, something a person leaves behind. So, what can we learn from Van Gogh? Even if people don't understand you, even if life feels hard, don't stop creating. Don't stop expressing your heart. And never forget, the roots of something beautiful are growing inside you. What would you create if no one was watching? Which word did you learn today? Tell me in the comments below. And if this story helped your English, please like, share, and subscribe. More real-life English stories are coming, stories that teach your heart and grow your English. See you in the next one, friends. Bye for now.